Of the rock chips, a little bit of damage on the bottom part of the truck, so that's what he's doing now. So the top part of the truck is going to stay white. This was a budget fix, so we worked on it and tried to do it the cheapest way possible. You can't really see much of the truck from the window here, but that's pretty much the only thing that's getting painted. Alright, we're back up here at this window at the front so you can see a little bit better view of the truck. That he did on the rocker panel and the cab corners turned out great. You can't even tell there was any rust holes there. That may be about all we can see from this angle, so probably just wait and show you once it is finished. Do a walk around of it for you. His arthritis has really been bothering him today, so it's late. It's probably about midnight right now. So half the day he's been in misery, in pain. So he decided to go ahead and try to spray this and get this finished. So I will show you what it looks like once it's done. Alright, truck is painted. Got the bottom half of it painted black. So that's the passenger side. And I'm going to show you the driver's side that I've got started putting the pinstriping on. So to kind of break it up, went with a gray and red pinstripe above the paint, and it matches the 4x4 logo on the back. That way it's just not a plain contrast. It gives it a little break there in between the two paint colors rather. Alright, we've got the pinstriping finished on the truck. Got it pulled outside. We washed it off to get all the dust off of it and get the upper part cleaned up. Got the pinstriping done and added some vinyl there to the bow tie to make it stand out. Pinstriping matches the 4x4 sticker on the back. Yeah, there's a close-up of the cab corner that he replaced and the rocker panel down there. Can't tell where there was any prior damage. And then he replaced the panel over here on this rocker panel that you can't even tell any damage was done there either. So turned out great. Put the red vinyl over the bow ties on the side. He's going to go ahead and put it on the front on the grill here too, since it looks a little rough. Just taking some vinyl that we had.
If you ever want the wind to blow, all you gotta do is start messing with vinyl. I guarantee it's gonna blow. And there you have a red bow tie.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.